everyone, this is Rio from CalSol Systems. So, Microsoft has released the new Dynamics 365 Business Central Wave 2 for review. And this video is part 2, so if you haven't watched part 1, you might want to see that one before this one. But these new release features include a user experience enhancement that will be automatically enabled for users in production environment during October 2023 to March 2024. Users can try out the latest update in non-production environments. And in part 1, I covered Adapt Faster with Power Platform, Application, Copilot and AI Innovation, Country and Regional, Governance and Administration, and Legislation. And today I'll cover the rest of the updated features. So let's go ahead and go over them. So first is the onboarding updates. It is made for faster onboarding experience, especially when users are using the sign-up content and profiling features. And now it provides information that helps people get started with Business Central. Partners like CalSoft can dynamically modify the message in the banner to suit users. And also, users who sign up for a Business Central trial will be Business Manager automatically, but now your Microsoft partner can specify the role that matches the users so that users can have better first experience. So next is Productive with Microsoft 365. So Business Central integrates with Microsoft 365 apps like Outlook, Excel, Word, OneDrive, and Teams. And this release wave includes many enhancements to Business Central add-in for Excel. For example, dimensions are included on more pages when using the Edit in Excel feature, increased accuracy of filters when they transferred from Business Central to Excel, and improved reliability and performance of data refresh and published through the latest OData v4 technology. And the add-in now supports on-premises deployment that have a dedicated server instance specifically for OData feeds. And next is the reporting and data analysis. For better productivity, the Power BI experience has new and improved Power BI reports, and more capability for analysis mode help you to do on-the-fly embedded analysis on their data. So using the query object, a deployer can join data from multiple tables. For example, they can combine data about sales orders with extra information about the customer or the salesperson involved. Also, to minimize the effort of finding reports and data analysis, now users can discover the content, including queries, reports, and Power BI pages by using navigational search called Tell Me or the new Reporting Explorer page. And there are a few updates on service and platform. Microsoft focused on improving services on performance, stability, resource governance, security, and compliance. For example, improve the data loading speed on the server benefit all usage scenarios, including web service integrations, background jobs, and interactive sessions. Optimizing the speed of selected scenarios in the application, like running country-specific reports and renumbering general ledger entries. Optimizing the opening of the most page type, like opening new tabs, and rendering the navigation bar and action on all bars. And minimizing the use of database lock when running business logic. Change the default locking behavior in AL from serialized read to read committed, and accessing data in the same Dataverse environment from multiple companies. And I would like to talk more about accessing data. When you set up the connection to Dataverse, you can select several Business Central companies from one Dataverse environment. And you can enable multi-company synchronization for each table mapping from the Enable Multi-Company Synchronization in Integration Table Mapping page. And you can open coupled records in different companies using the Open in Business Central action in Dataverse or Dynamics 365 Sales. And each user can choose their default Business Central company on the default Business Central connection page. And if you choose Redeploy Integration Solution on the Dynamics 365 connection setup page, it will be allowed to pick up a particular quote for orders when synchronizing them in Business Central. And on user experience, Microsoft improved on boosting efficiency when users are working with action across selections in lists of record, and viewing summarized data to help them easily fix data entry mistakes. For example, Business Central web clients can get access to more fields and add it to the right place, and customize per role, start using fields immediately, and govern their data and extensions. And users can enter one or more keywords in Tell Me, or you can run Tell Me in the contents of an editable page, and it will automatically search for the value in the selected field. And now Business Central uses a simple and clear schema for naming browser tabs and windows. So this makes it easier when you are using multiple tabs in Windows. And for warehouse users, there are more new interface features on UI button, AL action, and barcode events. And there's more updates on user experience. But I would like to dig deeper on this update to adding existing table fields. So Business Central web clients can choose from additional fields that originates from the source table that powers the page, and that includes fields from table extensions. And add field to the precise location on the page canvas, and it will show places where it can be added to any types of page, such as card pages or lists. And users can work efficiently when you customize your page by adding new fields. And last, I would like to talk more on data searching. Users can enter one or more keywords in Tell Me, and it will automatically search for the value in the selected fields. And the search results include the top results in table you have access to. And you can make the search even faster if you limit the scope by selecting Show Table to Search on the searching company data. And by these new updates, users can work productively by spending less time searching for business data. So these were the updates on Dynamics 365 Business Central 2023 Wave 2. And this video was part 2, so please watch part 1 to see the full updated area. I'll put the link for part 1 and also Microsoft document on the description so that you can review detailed information. And as always, thank you for watching this video until the end, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!